Hey tribe, today I'm going to go over two crawls. One is the bear crawl and the other is the frog crawl. The bear crawl is a fantastic movement for shoulder stability, core integration, but it's amazing as far as getting some back line length through the hamstrings, calves, and the plantar fascia of the foot. It's also really beneficial for working through things like swelling in the knee, especially if there's swelling in the back side of the knee. So, getting started with the crawl. I am going to start in a quadruped position. I want my hands nice and spread, my elbows long but not locked out. And then I'm going to lift my hips up towards the ceiling, and I want to reach my sternum down towards the floor, very similar to what we do in the child's pose. Once I find the depth in my shoulders, then I want to find length through the back of my legs by reaching my heels as if I'm trying to touch the floor. If you can touch the floor, great. If not, it's not a big deal. This is very similar start to down dog in yoga. So from this position, I am going to reach with my hand. Opposite foot's going to come forward, and then hand to opposite foot. I want to continue to lift my belly button up to the ceiling. And as I do this, I can slowly bring my foot a little closer to my hand. I don't want to force it. This should not be painful. And then going backwards, I'm going to lead with my foot and then push with my hand. So I lead with my foot and then push away through the hand. So going backwards is going to be a lot more shoulder dominant. It's where you get a lot more shoulder work. Going forward, you're going to feel a lot more of that stretch and length through the back line of the leg. It's a great movement. It's a really good prep as far as if you want to do handstands. This is going to work on building some endurance in the shoulders and just getting you some overall strength, especially if you start working up against a wall. So now I'm going to look at the frog crawl. So the frog crawl, again, great for shoulder stability, core integration, but now we're working more through the front of the hips. This is going to be a really nice hip opener that's going to improve your deep resting squat. So with the frog crawl, I'm going to start in a deep squat position. My hands come forward, nice and grounded on the floor, and then I'm just going to bring my feet up forward towards my hands. Nice and simple. And then on the way back, again, it's more shoulder dominant. I'm going to lift and push through my shoulders. And so this is where it gets to be a nice core integrative exercise as well. As you get better at this movement, you'll be able to get a little farther and bring your feet even in front of your hands. You'll probably notice that you get some burn in the front of the hips fairly quickly on these. Give them a shot. Let me know how they feel. If you're feeling pain in your shoulders on either of these movements, please send me a message. These are more high-level movements. If you're feeling shoulder pain here, we need to regress down and build you back up. So please contact me. All right, I look forward to hearing from you.